Hello, salibonani guys, we are back again. Okay, so njengoba sonke sikwazi ukuthi ke indaba ekhona manje about Geza kushubile guys. Okay, so saka iyamchinda uyu ayiwani ngari kutoda ukozizwa manje ndiyari kuti bruma streets sizoti kuziva kuti Geza asikuwanika everyone, and even this therapy, the Zimbabwe Public Police is also looking for him. So today tinenye yatasangana nayo guys, Geza uyu achipindura on his account on one of the social media platforms. So Geza was saying that chasing me away from Zanupf will never stop me from doing what we are planning. Iye Mnangagwa Emerson akatombodzingwawo akadzoka. So I will not be moved an inch from executing our mega plan. Zimbabweans, wake up and let's join hands to move Mnangagwa out of State House. The signal is coming. Hey, bakashata guys, because Geza arikutoda zvamanje arikutoda iye ende arikutopindura ndakutoradza kuti atori ready asitombokwata kana kawani.